Okay, we're now on the DJC stand looking at the V-Storm WR3. I'm here with Dan, who is going to help us go through this car to understand a little bit more about it. And you'll see straight off, one of the unique features of this car is the fact it is a three-seater, a bit like a McLaren F1. Now, Dan, this is a car in build.
Yeah, this is customer's car. It's had it about 18 months.
Okay.
I supplied everything on this car. Okay. Every nut and bolt, engine and box in there as well. So he's just bolting it together, really.
And what was the base for this car?
Price-wise?
On the components?
Just the components. For a complete car, you're at around the 35, 37 mark, plus the engine on top. That can vary from £5,000 to whatever you want to pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's the Subaru engine in there,
yeah,
back?
It's a flat four.
And you're saying you can now get the sequential box with it as well?
Yeah, at the moment it's only the 5-speed in there, but we are in mid-development of running the Subaru 6-speed, which then gives us an option for full sequential, either paddles or on a stick. Yeah.
Okay. So it'll be on the 6-speed is on paddles.
Yeah, stick,
but at the moment it's just on...
It's just H pattern at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
And front end wise, that all looks very much bespoke?
The whole car's bespoke. Every nut and bolt. Going forward from this car, we've actually do our own uprights now. We buy the calipers, but all that is upright now. That bespoke, the bearings, everything.
Okay, so
looms.
In theory, then you're into like a complete brand new car. You could do.
Yeah.
Brand new plate.
Yep. Oh yeah, they're all brand new when they're built. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're all brand new. Yeah, there's no donor parts. It's all brand new. Yeah.
Oh, so the engines are fully rebuilt?
Fully rebuilt.
Oh, I didn't realise that.
Yeah,
okay,
fully rebuilt. Yeah, they're all tested on the bench before they go out. Go out with the ECU that's obviously been run with that. And yeah.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. I really like this. I'd love something that's a little bit different.
Oh, definitely different.
Yeah, particularly with, you could take the kids, maybe not the wife, but it's a really good concept. That I like it, and this is a car that's come a long way from when I first saw it.
Yeah, it has in the last few years, a long way. Yeah.
No, brilliant. Okay, thanks very much, Dan. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.